You sense something's out there. But every time you look, it's gone. You're left with clues, but few answers. This is Behold Cam-1. It watches and reveals. Quietly. Constantly. Turns out the yard isn't empty. Residents, neighbors, and travelers. Easy to place and ready for action. Records high-quality footage, day and night, rain or shine. Knows the difference between a fox, a cat, your neighbor, and just the wind. It only records animals, never people. Video clips are sent to your phone when in Wi-Fi range, but it can also record completely offline, running for weeks on a rechargeable battery. And every animal spotted helps scientists understand the wildlife in your area. Support our Kickstarter and meet the real locals.